Hey guys, this is Cherry. Welcome to my channel. I'm currently here now in Front Beach. This is called Boracay. I'm currently here now in Station 2. And a few minutes of sunset is coming. At this moment, lots of tourists here, even locals and foreigners. Although um, coronavirus outbreak. And yes, it's still really nice here in Boracay, and I hope you're gonna visit here in Boracay soon, and I'm really sure that you will enjoy here. And it's nice to take a vacation here with your friends, especially someone, and of course with your family. And you will enjoy the white beach here, the sun, and some activities here. And of course, you're gonna meet new friends here. You also enjoy a nice music, wars, walking on the beach, of course, and swimming. Okay, guys. Uh, Thank you for joining to my channel, and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.